Welcome to the Cinch Learning Library. Today we're going to talk about managing segments in the customer drawer. In the Cinch app, there are two different kinds of segments, dynamic and static. You can only manually add and remove customers from a static segment, as a dynamic segment is constantly updated based on whether or not a customer meets the criteria that you established when creating that segment. So in my company here, you can see I have two dynamic segments. I cannot modify these. The other two, I can edit the members of that segment simply by clicking inside the segment, choosing a customer, and then saying remove from segment. If I now refresh my page, I'll notice that Lucille is no longer part of my VIP customers. To put her back into that segment, I can come here, search for Lucille, open her up, add to segment, VIP customers. Now she's back in the segment. This is how you manually add and remove customers from a static segment in Cinch. As always, if you have any questions, please contact us at support@cinch.io.